What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Okay, everybody, so I wasn't going to shoot a video today at all. So I got this detail in my garage right now. And for those of you that follow along the channel, and for the fellow detailers, sometimes you just want to detail. You know, sometimes you don't want to worry about the camera, and sometimes you just want to get a detail done. And that is the exact situation I'm in right now. And I've fallen in love with a new product that I am using to clean the interior of a car. And it is the, a lot of you guys have probably already used these. But this is my first time ever using these Scrub Ninjas from Autofiber. Let's see on the back, it's 75% polyester, 25% polyamide. It's just a little, like a interior scrub sponge. And it's got these little bristles, little brushes. They're very soft, but there's tons of them. And you guys, for those of you that know and you follow on the channel, I'm the slowest interior detailer ever. And I apologize, it's a little bit windy. I got the garage door open. If you guys can hear me, I hope you can. So I've just been like, okay, instead of taking my detail brush, you know, getting in there and cleaning seats and doing this and doing that, this scrub sponge allows me to cover much more surface area way quicker. I can clean seats so much faster, door panels so much faster. Yes, you're still going to need your detail brush for like maybe inside switches and inside places that you can't get. However, overall, man, you can clean a door panel so quick with this. You can clean the seats. The seats is where I'm falling in love with it. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to share this with those of you guys that want to take their interior detailing game and kind of minimize that by, you know, time by a little bit, because I'm actually on a time crunch. I'm actually out here like, hey, let me just get this thing done. And this little Autofiber Scrub Ninja is absolutely freaking insanely awesome. I absolutely love this thing. I will definitely drop a link to where I got these. Obviously they're Autofiber, so you can get them from Autofiber. But I bought these from Glossy Rides Detail, small, you know, mom and pop shop. You guys know I like to support them, and I think I got them for 20% off. He's always having, you know, discounts over there. They carry some great stuff over at Glossy Rides Detail, so I'm gonna leave the link to where I bought these. If you want to go help support, if you want to pick these up, I highly recommend it. They are fantastic. I'm gonna show you guys here in just a second why I love these for speed and efficiency, because you guys know I'm not all about speed and efficiency. I like to take my time, but you know, sometimes I just want to get a car done. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick why I love it so much. Let's get on this Subaru that I'm doing, and I'll show you why. All right, everybody, so like I said, I'm gonna try to make this video quick, but let me show you why this little Scrub Ninja is awesome. So as you guys can see, the seat's terrible. So basically, this little Scrub Ninja saves me so much time. Instead of coming in here with my detail brush and doing that, I even have my bigger boar's hair brush. It's a bigger brush, yeah, but check this out, guys. So I'm gonna do is spray a little bit on my sponge, and I'm coming here, and this is my P&S Express interior cleaner. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a liberal squirt all around it, like so. I'm gonna take my Scrub Ninja, and I'm just gonna scrub this thing down real quick. If it doesn't jump out of my hands. Get the front, get down in here. Yes, I should be wearing gloves, guys. I'm sorry, I know. That's all right. P&S Express is safe. And it's that easy. Now, if I wouldn't have forgot a towel, sorry guys. Even the time I had to take over there and go grab my towel, I would have been still scrubbing with my other brushes. And just like that, this whole section is done. Just like that. That easy. So it saves you plenty of time. Although you still need your detail brush, but that just saved me so much time, honestly. It makes me way more efficient. I cover more surface area. Yeah, and I'm loving it. So I wanted to make this video just to share this with you guys that may be in my shoes. So yeah, the Autofiber Scrub Sponge, fantastic. I'll get you set up. We'll do a door panel real quick. Show you how quick we can do a door panel. All right, everybody, so I'm going to show you real quickly on the door panel. Sorry, I'm kind of doing this on the fly, guys, so you just got to bear with me. So this door panel isn't terrible, okay? So there's no need to ultra scrub it. So I'm just going to take my P&S Express. I'm going to mist it everywhere. Grab my little detail scrub. Just go ahead and scrub this thing down real quick. Like I said, bear with me, guys. I'm doing this one-handed and trying to clean at the same time. Just get in here. Oh, the dog hair. The dog hair. And then, yes, of course, you're going to need your detail brushes. Like I said, I'm not saying you don't need detail brushes, but just like that, went ahead and cleaned the whole door panel. In honestly, a record time for Mr. Smurf, because you guys know I'm not all about that efficiency. I don't do this, you know, as my business, you know, so I just kind of chillax, and I like to enjoy detailing, of course. But like I said, sometimes you just want to get a detail done, and you want to go fast when you can, you know. So for those of you guys out there that do have a business, I highly recommend these little Scrub Ninjas, man. They're awesome. They're absolutely awesome. And look at that. A nice clean door panel in record time. I'd still be scrubbing the cup holder with my brush. So that is it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. The seats are looking awesome back here. This little Scrub Ninja really saves me time. So this video was geared towards those of you that are looking to possibly save some time, cut some time back on your details. These are awesome. Really awesome. Let's jump into a quick final thoughts on the Scrub Ninja. Awesome little thing. All right, everybody. So quick final thoughts segment. Like I said, I'm going to keep this video pretty quick, as I wasn't going to shoot any videos at all, but I honestly, for my first time using these, really fantastic little product. They're not expensive at all. I want to say I paid like, I don't know, 18 bucks or 20 bucks. I can't remember, for 2 3-packs. I don't know how long they last. I imagine they wear out, so that's fine. For me, one of them will probably last me a long time because I don't detail every day. If you detail every day, you might need to buy, you know, a couple packs, but absolute fantastic little tool, I would say, to add to your arsenal. For sure, I recommend it. It cleans the leather seats so well, and yes, it would even be even faster if it's really just a quick wipe down. You ain't got to worry about it. But these little bristles, it's hard to see. Hopefully you guys can see that. These got all these little bristles on here. It's like a little brush, kind of. Very soft, but enough to agitate. Works fantastic, guys. So definitely check out these Autofiber Scrub Ninjas. Like I said, I will leave the link down in the description for you guys to check them out if you guys want to, you know, speed up your detailing a little bit. Like I said, I'm usually not an efficient detailer, but sometimes you just got to get the detail done. Sometimes you might have stuff to do, and unlike me, I waited till, you know, today to start the detail and cram it all in one day instead of starting on it yesterday. So, but like I said, Scrub Ninja, this thing is legit. go buy Glossy Rides Detail and get some Scrub Ninjas. Tell them Papa Smurf sent you. And yeah, that's it for this video, honestly. Quick one. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smashing that thumbs up for me while you're down there. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, whether it be full details, tips, tricks, ceramic coatings, paint corrections, enhancements, all that kind of good stuff, you'll get notified when I upload more videos by clicking that little bell, so don't forget that. Once again, thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch, support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.